Hello, today I'm going to be showing you how to make your own scratch off or scratchers, some people refer to them, that are good for date ideas or gift ideas that you may want to do. These are a couple finished examples here, as you can see, and they're fairly easy to make. There's a website specifically called livelove.com, I believe. The link I'll include down in the description. But basically you can go on their website. They have several different layouts to choose from, and you can click on any of them and it'll pull up like a PDF window, and you'll be able to see, when you pull it up, it'll look like this, to where you can type in whatever you want, prizes or whatever. Like here I just kind of did an idea for a date. So you would put these words in descriptions, and then some little silver discs that you can purchase online, and I got some off Amazon. You just sticker them right on there like a sticker, and then you can take a coin or whatever you want to scratch, and it'll reveal whatever you have typed up underneath. So you'll just need some cardstock that you can pick up anywhere, and then a printer. So once you type up what you want in here, you can just print them out. And then I just went on Amazon and bought this pack. I think it comes with 100 of these, and they just peel right off and you just stick them right on there. So pretty simple. I'll go ahead and cut this one out and put the stickers on there, and then show you what the finished product looks like. All right, so there you go. Now you can see it's looking a lot better, kind of cool. And each one, well, a lot of them come with different options. Like this one came with just a 2-piece one, a 3, or a 4. So this one's in between, where there's 3 options. And you can see the first one I just chose as an activity, and then a meal. It could be a lunch or dinner, and then like a dessert. So kind of a typical date. And it's good to just obviously pick something local to where you are. And I guess if you don't have a lot of selections or options, that you can pick the exact same thing for both of these, if you want to have more control over what the person's going to scratch off, to make sure they like pick the things that you want. But to make mine a little more fun, I like to have different options for each one. So you can see here, mini golf or go-kart racing, and then it lets you put little descriptive words typed in here as well too, to kind of give the person a hint. So I just picked fast for the go-kart racing, slow for mini golf, and then restaurant and dessert options. So I'll show you here. And again, these are literally just stickers. So you just peel them off. Okay, so it's that easy. And bring in the other examples here to give you an idea of the different, it kind of just looks like a scratcher. So I will do this one here so you can see. Use a coin or whatever, but I'm just going to use the scissors because I have them here. Scissors are probably not the best option because I don't want to mess the sticker all the way up, but if you had a coin or something less sharp, it would definitely work a lot better. Okay. So you can see there, just like a scratcher would be. So anyway, that's it. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. And again, the website will be linked in there, so you can go on. It's free to use, and they have a lot of other date ideas as well. But this is kind of a fun little quick thing that you can do to, surprise someone or whatnot. Anyway, thanks for watching.